Hello, lovely fans. We have quite a unique question here, and I will need us to take a look at this diagram with our thinking eyes. See that is indeed what we see in a bicycle. Okay, and the question goes, the diagram above illustrates the gears system of a bicycle. One, determine its velocity ratio. Two, if the bicycle has an efficiency of 90%, calculate the effort required to overcome a load of 70 newtons. Three, why is the calculated effort less than the actual effort required? All right. For us to respond to this question, the first thing is to respond to number one, which says we should find the velocity ratio. Velocity ratio here indeed is the ratio of the driven teeth over the driving teeth. So the driving teeth here is where we have the pedal. This is the driving teeth where the actual work is done. This is the driven teeth. This is the driving teeth. Okay. So this is the driven teeth. So, and from the original question here, if we count from the original question, I didn't draw it to how it is here. That's why I'm having the paper here. We will see that indeed the velocity ratio, that's number one, VR is equal to the driving number of driving teeth, number of number of driven teeth, over number of driving teeth. So the number of driven teeth here in the question, which if you count it, you will see it is number of driven teeth is 12. So this is 12, while the driving teeth is 18. So if we divide this, we'll get 2 over 3. 2 over 3 as our final answer. Remember that velocity ratio has no unit. Okay? It has no unit. For number 2, the efficiency eta is given as 90%. Okay? We are asked to get the effort E while the load is 70 newtons. Okay, if that is the case, we use our efficiency formula. Efficiency eta is equal to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio all times 100. Okay. All right. So if we begin to substitute, it will be 90, or I will remove this 100 here and just say 90 over 100 equals mechanical advantage is load over effort divided by velocity ratio, which is 2 over 3. Okay. So if we simplify this, we'll have it that 70 over E is times 3 over 2. Okay. So let's work on reducing these things to their lowest forms and making E the subject of the formula. So if we reduce this to the lowest form and make E the subject of the formula, E will be equal to 70 times 3 times 10 divided by 9 times 2. And if we work on all of this with our calculator, we should be getting 116.7. We should be getting 116.7 newtons as our final answer. We can leave it as 117 newtons in 3SF. That's it. All right, for number 3 of this same question, which says we should state why is the calculated effort less than the actual effort required? The simple reason for that is due to friction between the tires and the road, or friction between chain and gear. Thank you once again for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more.